Vanakkam. I am so happy to be amongst all of you. I have come from Delhi because Thiru Stalin is my brother. He is a very dear friend. More than that, he is a person who has done lot of work for your families. Has he done or not? He is doing so much work for your children, for the health and education of your family. You will not get a leader like him. That is the reason I have come to campaign for him. Firstly, because he is my brother, he is my friend. And secondly, because he has done a lot of good work, development work for the state of Tamil Nadu. When I was Chief Minister of Delhi, one day I got a phone call. I got a phone call from the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu from his office saying that he wants to come and see the good work in Delhi. I was very surprised. Normally the Chief Ministers have very high ego. No one goes to the other state to see the good work. Thiru Stalin has no ego. He works for the people. He came to Delhi. He saw our hospitals. He saw the schools that we had constructed. He saw the clinics that we had done. And then he invited me to Tamil Nadu. I came to Tamil Nadu. I saw the good work that was being done in Tamil Nadu. I am told that here almost 1.3 crore women every month, head of the families, are getting 1,000 rupees per month. Are you getting or not? No other state in the country is getting it. Here you have CM's breakfast scheme in the schools where the children get breakfast. No other state in the country gets it. When the girls pass out from the school, they get 1,000 rupees per month for higher education. No other state in the country gets it. You get doorstep delivery of medicines and medical services. No other state in the country gets it. That is the reason I have come to campaign for him. If you, the other NDA is not, NDA stands for New Delhi Alliance. NDA is not BJP and ADMK. NDA is only BJP. BJP has captured ADMK. ADMK is completely in the grip of BJP. See what has been done in Bihar. The Chief Minister of Bihar, Nitish Kumar, he was Chief Minister till yesterday. Today he has been reduced to merely a Rajya Sabha member. Why? This will be done with ADMK also. ADMK will be broken into 3 parts and BJP will take over. BJP wants to capture Tamil Nadu. The people of Tamil Nadu hate BJP. You hate BJP or not? People don't want BJP. Tamil Nadu does not want BJP. ADMK has done the biggest crime to Tamil Nadu by bringing BJP to Tamil Nadu. So beware before you vote for them. Another thing, 1 year back in Delhi, the people made a mistake. They voted for BJP in Delhi. Now all the good work that we had done in Delhi, BJP has stopped all the good work. The schools that we had started in Delhi, they have stopped the schools. The clinics that we started in Delhi, they stopped the clinics. The free medicines and treatment we started in Delhi in hospitals, they stopped all that. We had made electricity free in Delhi. Now the people are getting thousands and thousands of rupees of electricity bill. We had made water free. So beware if you vote for BJP or you vote for ADMK or you vote for NDA. All the good work that he has started, everything will stop and you will repent it. So I will request you that you should vote for Stalin Saab, you should vote for DMK if you want to continue the good work that is being done in Tamil Nadu. He has done a lot of developmental work in Tamil Nadu. This development should continue. And he is one voice, a strong voice against Narendra Modi in the central government. He is fighting not only for Tamil Nadu, he is fighting for India, he is fighting for the country. He is a very strong voice. Recently they tried to do a delimitation bill which would have completely destroyed our democracy, and he stood against Narendra Modi and he fought for the people of India, for the people of Tamil Nadu. I would request you to vote for Shri K.S. Ramachandran ji, who is in K.S. Ravichandran, and the symbol is rising sun. Will you vote for him? Vanakkam.